Central Radio. Yeah, so legendary Country FM about. And of course, we don't reach a segment where your church there. Eat the hot pacifier. Before I go begin the flexion up here. Yeah, so make you no forget I be don't tell you that say, oh, yeah, so they say Atiku Abubakar don't tell Niger people. Yeah, so say President Titi no get any plan at all. Yeah, so to strengthen the democracy of Obodo Niger, I still don't tell you that say, oh, yeah, so Igbo leaders they don't renew the push, oh, yeah, so for the release of Nnamdi Kanu, I still don't tell you that say, oh, yeah, so police they don't rescue one woman, oh, yeah, so from the hands of the ritualist, yeah, so for inside APJ Abuja, and of course I say don't tell you that say, oh, yeah, so one member of the House of Representatives, he don't tell Niger people, oh, yeah, so say governors in the suffocating local government, yeah, so for inside Obodo Niger, and of course the federal government of Obodo Niger, yeah, so they don't say, yeah, so they don't ready graciously, yeah, so to receive Niger people, oh, yeah, so when them go deport, oh, all the way from United States of Obodo America, and of course I don't tell you now, say, oh, yeah, so say Dangote, it don't reduce the price of fuel, oh, yeah, so to 890 naira per liter. Dangote don't slash the fuel price, yeah, so to 890 naira per liter. And of course I don't tell you now, say, oh, yeah, so what's the number way name that Opialo, it don't tell Niger people, yeah, so say all the policies where it can come, say all of them they on track, say Tinubu's policies na confirmento. As you don't tell on us, the All Progressive Congress, yeah, so we be APC, yeah, so they don't talk say all the kata where they happen for PDP. Say the thing they switch them more. Say the kata where they for PDP. Say na better entertainment to them. Okay, that's it. Don't tell on us, yeah, so EFCC chamo, it don't say Niger people hate corruption, but them they support corrupt leaders. Niger people hate corruption, but you not see corrupt leaders say Niger people they support them well. I still don't tell you now, say, oh, yeah, so police waiting for Kaduna. Yeah, so say they don't rescue 23 kidnapped victims for Kaduna. Okay, I still don't tell you now, say, oh, federal government don't tell Niger people. Yeah, so say make them ready cautiously. Yeah, so for electricity tariff increase. And they tell you for tonight, yeah, as federal government don't they make a move to comot electricity subsidy. Yeah, so they don't tell Niger people. Set the tariff on top of electricity. It go rise like Ijebu Gare. I still don't tell you now, say, oh, army don't destroy you. Yeah, so 12 illegal refineries waiting for Niger Delta and they arrest 16 suspects. I still don't tell you now, say, oh. Yeah, so said senior man Bugaje, it on said the northern part of Obodo Niger they face serious crisis. And of course they're not too fit to collapse. So if care is not taken, I still don't tell you that so they don't arrest one prophet for inside Ogun State where go do illegal kerewawa. Yeah, so to one Sumagele where the 12 years old I still don't tell you that so presidency don't tell you all the aspirants, all those people where they had the seat of the presidency. Presidency don't tell them, make una no do too much we go see for 2027. I see don't tell us FCCPC, they don't tell Niger people any loan app where harass you, make you report them to us. Okay, na correct people. Yeah, so for inside the Bodabia, I don't tell us Abia state government. Yeah, so they don't open their mouth where then they use to chop better fufu and egusi soup. Abia state government don't open mouth to tell them Abia. Say waiting they spend yes so to rehabilitate 51 schools waiting for Obodabia for the fourth quarter of 2024. Now 54 billion naira. Oh, Bobelese, we don't spend 54 billion naira. Yes so to rehabilitate 51 schools waiting for the 17 local government of Obodabia for the fourth quarter of 2024. That's one according to the Abia state government. Alright, yes so Chukuma segment no kata no opatayanese. Yeah, so we couldn't forget say that 1 minute better. Now what you get to flex your appearance.